Hey fellow traders, welcome to our channel. On today's video we are going to be going through our how to find support and resistance level easily. We're going to be showing you multiple pairs. For instance, the very first pair that we're going to show you today is going to be GBP JPY. I'm going to tell you exactly what is going to happen on GBP JPY and why it's going to perform this this coming week. Then another pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. This is gonna be a massive. If you're already selling this pair, you should be on really nice profit. But I will teach you why it's in a sell position. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be gold. Gold, it is on fire. If you're already banking on this pair, I will break it down for you. So just bear with me, guys. On today's video, you will not regret what you're gonna be learning today. It's gonna be phenomenal. A lot of people are gonna be charging you for what I'm gonna give you for free. Another amazing pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be USD JPY. It's going to be in a massive nice breakdown. So guys, that's what I named this video, how to find support and resistance level easily. We're gonna be using multiple time frames. I'm gonna be giving you the the answer right away, so you will not make any mistake on this coming week. So because everybody should be making money, right?
Oh yeah!
Everybody should be making money.
Oh yeah!
All right, so this is what we're gonna be doing today, guys. So welcome back. Like I said, so the first thing that we're gonna be doing is understanding the support and resistance. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start with the very first pair, which is gonna be GBP JPY. Boom! Look, guys. Look, the way that I'm gonna break it down, guys, is the following. So I want you to do the next couple pairs on your own. Think about it and see if it makes sense. But this is the very first thing that you need to pay attention. You have to, no choice. Always pay attention what your dashboard is telling you. I love to pay attention what the larger time frame is doing. I love to pay attention what the daily time frame versus the 4 hours is doing. Whatever those time frames, believe it or not, on any lower time frame, they have to be doing that unless if they're doing a minor pullback. But in here, all I can see that on GBP JPY, the system is telling us the market here is selling, right? That's all you know. Remember one thing, when the market is selling, you will be getting this TWE sniper entry with the stairs, showing you the market here was selling. Then look at when it's in a buy position, you're gonna be getting the stairs on the opposite side. Remember, red for sell and green for buy. So it's always like that, all right? So now that we know the basic, we're gonna be moving to reality, real data, real stuff, because that's how you and I make money on the market. So now I'm gonna go ahead and click Shift N so we can go all the way to the end. So this is it. Look at here, guys. This is what I was telling you. Look at the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? Market here is selling. Look at the multiple time frame here. Boom, selling. Look at here. TW sniper entry. Boom, selling. Look at this. This is very important to understand why the market is selling. Look at here. It sell and it hit that 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is a golden area, right? What happened from that golden area? That's what I was telling you. Support and resistance, because there's previous support and resistance here, letting you know from there market do a small retracement. That's why you see 1 hour, 30 minute, 50 minute going up, which is true. How far is that small pullback is gonna go? In my opinion, guys, it's still gonna be retesting this previous multiple time frame here, so it still have room to touch that, and then from there, boom, market will be dropping. So GBP JPY right now is just doing a minor retracement, but overall the trend here is still in the sell position. All right, guys, let me know if you guys want me to make a video next week of any pair that you want to. Please let me know. Comment on just let me know in the comment below. If you need one-on-one with me, also let me know. I'm here to help you out. I want everybody to make money. All right. Like I said, we need to identify the support and resistance level. This is very important, guys. It's super important. So we're not gonna be going through our moving averages, even though that we have one moving average here, which it tells us is green as a buy, red as a sell. But I'm not gonna go over that today. But I just want to show you, what the dynamic of resistance and the dynamic of support. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom! time, take a few seconds, see what you look. Remember, first thing that you have to pay attention. You know what? Let me put it in numbers. So first thing that you need to pay attention, no matter what, is your dashboard. Boom. Step number one. If you pay attention in there, let's go ahead and make a box. Look at that. What is 4 hours and daily time frame doing? It's telling you already, hey, we are selling. If it's selling, what do you want to do? You want to go against the trend? Because if you go against the sellers, guess what is going to happen to your account? Guess what is going to happen to your account? You're going to be blowing your account. And then you're going to hate this business. You're going to say, nah, Forex trading is not for me. No, these guys are not, they're not telling me the way that I want to learn. No. If the market is selling, you need to go with the trend. Now, let's go to reality, real stuff, real talk. Pay close attention to the multiple time frame with the TW sniper entry. What is it doing? What is it doing? Look at here. Boom, sell it. Look at the Y multiple time frame. Boom, sell it. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, sell it. Look at the stairs. What is the stair doing? Boom. What is the other stair doing? Boom. So where is the market heading, guys? Market's heading as a sell position. Look at what the dashboard is telling you. Dashboard told you already. Give you the heads up and tell you, hey, we are selling. What do you want to do? You want to make money with the sellers or you want to blow your account? Because if you are planning to blow your account, guys, this business is not going to work for you. Look at the multiple time frame, the RSI is also in a sell position, guys. Look at that. Look at here. It gives you that breakdown as a sell, and boom, it dropped. It's still selling. Now you're here. Now you want to know, hey, Irvin, so what is going to happen the rest of the week? This is me, guys. Remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you are planning to trade, guys, trade with rules. If you need help, please let me know. There will be a link in the description of the video. So if you want to get in touch with me, you are more than welcome to do so. All right. So this is my opinion, guys. The market will make a continuation of the sell. It's gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 61 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, and overall, Euro USD, it is selling. That's all I'm saying. If you are seeing something else, please let me know in the comment below. Disagree with me, challenge me, and say, Irvin, no, okay, or Irvin, can you make a video on this type of pair? Just let me know. Just let me know. I will do it for you. I will do it because, look, I want everyone to learn, guys, how to find the support and resistance level easily in this market. Because everybody has, you guys need to make money, guys. Candlestick pattern, and guys, it's everybody needs to make money, period. Another amazing pair that I'm going to give you today, guys, is going to be gold. Boom! Pay close attention to your dashboard. Pay close attention to your. This is very challenging for some of you guys that are new on the Forex trading, guys, and don't know, how to find the support and resistance level that easy. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is confusing, guys. Look at that. 4 hours and daily is contradicting. If the market contradicts, if the time frames contradict, you will have a big problem on the market. So it's up to you to understand and see what the market is doing. Now that we know that we are in a war, basically here, with a larger time frame, in my opinion, don't trade it. Don't trade it. Look for all the opportunity. But I had to make the video today because I need to teach you. I need to open your eyes, and so you can understand what the market is doing here. Then we're gonna move to reality, guys. There's a war between the time frame. All we know overall, the market here is only going in one direction. Look at the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. What's your daily time frame doing? I'm telling you, we're in a buy position. Look at the multiple time frame doing here on gold. Boom. Look at the white arrow. Boom. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom. Look at the stair. Boom. 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 And what else, guys? What is the market doing? Boom. The market is only going in one direction only. And that direction is only going bullish. Therefore, listen to what I'm saying here. Therefore, market gave us a pullback. So market took a break. So all we see here, that's why here on the dashboard, some of you can say, Irving, but why is the folder red? That is true, because the market here is doing a small retracement, but overall the buyers are in charge in here. In my opinion, look at here, it's creating a second multiple time frame, telling you the market is getting ready for that buy position. But this is my opinion for gold, guys. Gold may continue that drop all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level one more time, then do a small retracement, and then from there, by then the week is over, guys. Or I can see this coming week, the gold will be selling, guys. Still on that pullback, unless there is any news. Guys, please double check the news, guys. It's very important to check the news. If any of you guys need help, please ask for help, guys. Ask for help. If you guys want me to teach you, there's a link, guys, for $9.99. You gonna sit with me behind my back. There's all the traders. They will charge you $150, $300 per hour for that hour. For me, it's only $10, guys. It's pretty cheap. All right. So let's go ahead and review the next pair that I think is gonna blow your mind, and that it is USD JPY. Look at this dashboard, guys. Look at how beautiful. Guys, if you do not have our multiple time frame, the link is in the description. Go ahead to the website. If you just want to grab our TW sniper entry, that will change your game on the Forex Trading. Look at here. Look. This is what we want to see. Look at for 5 minutes all the way to 1 month. Everyone is only going in one direction, and that it's going as a buy position. Let me show you the real candle, real trend, and so forth. Look at here. Look at the TW sniper entry. What is it doing? Boom. The multiple time frame is there. TW sniper entry is also in a buy position. Look at this there. Bam. Boom. 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 Where's the market heading, guys? Look at the trend. The trend is your friend. Look at here. It went up. We got a pullback. Pullback is over. Look at what happening here. We got green multiple time frame that retest the same previous multiple time frame once, multiple time frame twice. What happened from there? Boom! Market is going up. How far is USD JPY is gonna go? Guys, this is very important what I'm giving you here. A lot of people are trading you and giving you charging you hundreds and hundreds of dollars for what I'm giving you here. Guys, do me a favor. If you have already found value on this video that I'm giving you today, make sure you hit that bell notification. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want to grab a multiple time frame and you cannot afford it, it's only it's only like $100 and something. It's not that cheap. If you need like 40% off, let me know in the comment below, and I will give you that 40% off. So you can make money on the market, because it's very important for me to know that everyone is going to make money. Therefore, look at here. Multiple time frame is here. It's going up, up, up. Look at what this candle left at us on Friday, guys. Still giving us indication the market will continue. How far? To this previous multiple time frame once. So we still have room to make more money here. Then from here, we're going to look for a small retracement, retesting your 38. And boom, market will continue on that buy position, because USD JPY is in a buy position, guys. It is. It is. Look, I give you guys, how many pairs did I give you today? I give you USD JPY. I give you gold. I told you that gold is going to do something else, guys. I don't know if any of you guys are going to be trading. Please be careful when you trade gold, because gold right now is in a sell position. Euro USD is also selling. GBP JPY is going to give us a sell position, but it's just doing a small pullback. But overall, guys, what is your plan for this week? Are you planning to trade with rules? If you don't have rules on this business, do not do it, because you need to learn how to find support and resistance level easily, trading with multiple time frame and with 10 with Irving. Guys, I really want to thank everybody, guys, for being here. Let me know if you need any help. You want me to make any other video? I want to thank you guys. I want to thank the world. I want to, guys, keep your prayers to Ukraine, the world, your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, I will see you guys back on our next episode. Let's go. Let's trade with 10 with Irving. Boom.